Greece is welcoming millions of tourists every year from all over the world. What they are looking for: beautiful beaches, excellent service, exquisite cuisine, and fine dining can be found here. Ecstatic and eternal, the land of Porto Carras is surrounded by all elements of nature. A place of unparalleled beauty which lies in the second peninsula of Halkidi Key and can be easily reached by car, boat, hydroplane, or helicopter from the International Airport of Thessaloniki. Thessaloniki International Airport is connected with more than 80 global destinations directly and will be expanded within the next 2 years. Full of lush forests, beautiful bays, hills, breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea, under the shadow of Mount Athos and across from Mount Olympus, Porto Carras is a hidden heaven. A famous 5-star resort was built here in 1976, carrying a long legendary history. The hotel buildings are the original designs of Walter Gropius, extremely advanced and contemporary for their time. Inside the hotel complex there are 2 casinos, offering a gaming experience to visitors. Natural beauty and marine diversity is lying on the seabed and also along the 9 kilometers of coastline. Sandy beaches and coves full of shady pine forests encompass the 25 secluded bays of the coast. Porto Carras Marina is one of the largest private marinas in Greece, with 315 berths which can accommodate large luxury vessels and mega yachts. Flying over the unique and only golf course in northern Greece, complete with 18-hole and par 72 signature courses. Overlooking the Aegean, 360 hectares of vines constitute the largest organic vineyard in Greece and one of the biggest in Europe. 26 grape varieties are grown in the estate, which produces fine quality and multiply awarded wines. Porto Carras, an alluring place. It is 8 times larger than Monaco and with a total size of 17.2 square kilometers. 85% of the land is an area of untapped potential. Here lies a strong and versatile opportunity for further development. Our goal is to create an outstanding experience, utilizing the space with advanced global design and touristic trends by means of sustainable materials and eco-friendly approaches. We need your expertise and knowledge to realize our most ambitious ideas that move beyond imagination and expectation.